Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see beautiful zigzag model earrings. See here are about some 10 colors we made. So before getting to the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And we hardly require some materials. So these are the 8mm tilak shape beads, pink color I am choosing. Then small pins. Pins are like eye pins. So these endings are like this. Then to attach the earring, definitely we require fish hook. And then here we start our model of doing. So this pin is about 1.5 to 2 inches lengthy pin. So we will be cutting little portion of it. But once we insert this bead, we have to give a 1/2 inch pin. Then after we have to make a loop like this. So we made one loop here. The same way we will go ahead with the second beads. So same way we will insert the pin and cut off the extra portion. And now when we are entering the first loop, whatever we made to the first bead, from that we will take this pin and again leave 1/2 inch. Then we will make another loop like this. So automatically when you hold this, it will come in the shape of zigzag. The same way third beads also. So when you do second and third beads and all, no, so you will come to know about the zigzag shape clearly. So to know that pattern clearly, for this size of beads we have to make about like 5 to 6 beads in a series, so that clearly that zigzag model will be visible like this. When you keep on doing the beads, and after that when you hold it, you will come to know one after another the clear shape of that. So finally we are attaching these things with the fish hook. So our beautiful dangler earrings are ready here. And now I hope you can see clearly. We'll be doing our second pair of earring also. So that's it. Very easy, very light materials we require. See here, beautiful color combinations we made. When the turning of the pins you do properly in one direction only, the zigzag forms very clearly. Hope you all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubts, please leave a comment. We'll see you with a new video soon. Thank you.